Yo, hold Pete. Let's kick it. Yo, he's kicking his shit. Damn. Ice, bet. Whoa. Damn, we weren't ready for that. And he's showing off the Warner. Oh shit. Oh, don't. You're gonna fucking hurt me, dude. And glow. Cue the extreme rock a mic like a bando. Like a poisonous mushroom.
Watch this.
We still got him going. We still got him. We still, damn, that's the biggest gangster I've ever seen. Oh, Ace is gonna get down with his ass. Oh shit.
He got second tag. Joseph, favorite song.
Oh my, stop.
Collaborate, yeah, listen.
Let me see.
No, it's still going. Don't. It's a movie. I'm gonna put this on steak and cheese.
What's the girl name, son? Jesus, man, that's Triple P. Triple P.
Susie!